this video, I am going to show you one of our ongoing old home renovation project which is located in Hongasandra, Bangalore. Whether it is a 19 years old kitchen or a 50 years old home, we bring fresh life into your spaces with smart design, solid construction and a deep respect for your home story. Before we dive into the scope of this renovation project, let me first show you how the house looked before we began the renovation. And after that, I'll show you the design proposal we presented to our client and how it helped them visualize the transformation. Now, let's talk about the scope of the project. Our first area of focus of this entire renovation project is the living room renovation, which includes the customized TV unit, the staircase storage solution, and most importantly, we are installing profile lights without the false ceiling. Next, let's move on to the kitchen, the second major scope of this project. This is a complete old kitchen remodeling, right from the floor to the ceiling. We updated the plumbing lines and the electrical lines. We redesigned the entire layout for a better functionality. One key highlight I want to mention is that we changed the utility door position from here to here, which made us to use the best use of the available kitchen space. For more videos on old home renovation, structural renovation, bathroom renovation and interior design, call us today. And do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Royal Architecture. Thank you.
you.